I'm now going to show you how to apply Angelwax H2GO Rain Repellent. This is H2GO from Angelwax, and this is our superior rain repellent. What this product actually does is makes driving in the wet weather much more safe. Once you've cleaned the glass with Angelwax Vision, apply directly onto the windscreen using a foam applicator or a microfiber applicator. Apply in a circular motion. Once you have covered the whole screen, leave for 15 minutes before removing. Now, when you drive in torrential rain, it's not going to be as bad with all the spray from other vehicles. Heavy rain will just slide off your windscreen. The durability of this product is about 3 weeks. Now we can leave this for 15 minutes before we remove. Now we've applied the H2GO Rain Repellent to the screen. It's been sat on here now for about 15 minutes. The best thing to use to remove is blue towel. Any kind of paper is good for this purpose. Once you've removed the H2GO from the surface, it will have bonded to the glass. Once you have removed all of the residue, repeat the process once more for the best performance. And for the ultimate protection, add one more coat.